Здравейте хора, аз съм Дарио Стели и днес ще направим 3 to not wow challenge. Да. И да започваме. Ако се засмееш, ще дадете дизлайк, ако не се засмееш, ще дадете лайк.
We gonna go in here, we gonna get this money. Now man up and stop acting like a baby.
This is your bed at home.
Good night.
This is your bed in the hotel.
This is awesome. Oh my god. Hey, yo, what's good, man? How old are you?
15.
Smack Cam.
Why did you kill that guy?
We just watched the movie.
Is that Channing Tatum?
No, it's Morgan Freeman.
Are you sure?
All right, say cheese. Oh, I'm vegan, so.
Хора, сега ще си помислите, че съм се засмял, но просто се усмихнах. Да знаете. Айде да продължавам.
I can't really. Oh my god. You know, soy. You know.
Hey, what you gonna do? Something stupid, man. That's what I thought. What are you doing?
I'm not smoking crack.
Don't lie to me.
No, I am smoking crack.
That was easy. Yo, come on, man. I can't have shit in this house.
Okay, see you soon.
He's there. Yeah.
Nice jeans. Nice jeans. Nice jeans.
Oh my god!
That's what he said.
Oh, not again. Oh, is this your baby? What's up, baby? Blah, 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 blah.
If there are any spirits here tonight, tell me, does this sound like Shakira?
Oh, God. Good morning.
It's 5 in the evening. Are you serious? I woke up early. I'm going back to bed.
How men talk to dogs.
Hey, buddy, you good boy.
How women talk to dogs.
Ooshy, pooshy, ooshy, gooshy, gooshy.
You Mark? What's that? Close. I'll get the chicken sandwich. And don't you guys do like a special sauce here? Yup. Okay, I'm gonna not get that.
I'm gonna get you. I'm an ow, dude. Ow, my ankle.
Ей това тука.
That.
Ми прилича малко на... Ей това. Няма значение на какво ми прилича.
I'm gonna get you. I'm an ow, dude. Ow, my ankle. You're gonna hurt my ankle. You're it.
I'm scared, Dad.
Do you trust me, son?
Yes.
Come on, son. Rule number 1, never trust anybody. Oh my god!
You remember how you forgot to clean your room? Come. Choose which one.
I love Italian food.
Yeah, me too.
Your eye's twitching.
No, it's not.
I got eye drop.
I'm not coming over there. Your boy smoked too much.
You don't smoke that much. You roll that shit. No. Oh shit. Breathe. Don't die me now. Come on. Dude, someone help me, please.
Hey, Mom, I'm about to take out the trash.
Okay, oh yeah, take out your dad too. Wait, what?
Oh,
Help me! Help me!
Snapchats with crushes. Snapchats with friends. Snapchats with best friends.
Spider. Spider. Oh shit. Oh my god, he's dead!
These jeans are kind of tight. I think they shrunk in the wash.
Did they shrink or did you grow?
That stroke.
Okay, damn.
No, I didn't vote for Obama's blanket.
I voted. That's what I thought. I kind of like the shirt. Do you fear me?
I don't feel you.
No, do you fear me? Like, are you scared of me?
You're scared of me.
No, you scared of me?
Jeez.
Want to get wet this summer? Come to the pool.
What are you doing?
Who is it?
Coming to kill you. Where do you live?
407 East Linwood Avenue. I live in a red house.
Don't worry, I'll save you.
Damn you people.
What you mean, you people? What you mean, you people? Matter of fact, got your purse, bitch. When you're ready, come and get it. Na, na, na. Na, na, na. You don't want to date me because I'm so perfect and intimidating? I don't give a fuck. I date myself. Hey, you sexy bitch.
Anyone? Anyone? The Great Depression. Past the... Anyone?
Brandon, did you break something?
Mom, if you get mad, I'll run away.
Since I have a high voice, I get asked a lot if I've hit puberty, and I actually forgot, so let me go do that.
I just feel like you don't appreciate me.
Ако това видео достигне поне 4 лайка, ще кача втора част на 3 to not Wild Challenge. До чао!